Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your monitor panel on your Winnebago travel trailer. Every Winnebago travel trailer is equipped with a freshwater tank, black tank, and gray tank. To check the levels of the tanks, simply push and hold the corresponding buttons located on the monitor panel. You'll also notice a button labeled BATT. That is to check the charge level of the trailer battery. Below those 4 buttons, you'll notice 3 red switches. Those switches are your electric water heater, your propane water heater, and your freshwater tank pump. Flip the desired switch as needed. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.